Hello, welcome to the highest meaning of life. Today, our topic is the plant kingdom, the plant world, and it's our responsibility to realize the importance of this kingdom, the useful of this world. The scientific theory of evolution tells us that it's not only that the whole mankind is one family, but also the whole nature is one family. And the plant kingdom is playing a vital role in our life. So Devatma has given some commandments on this relation, our relation in the vegetable world. And today we have to realize the consciousness of relation, the importance of this relation in our life, not in our life but in the life of animal species and all humanity, the all human nature. So according to Devatma, we have to realize the consciousness of relation, consciousness of beauty in this kingdom. One should develop feeling of appreciation for the beauty of this kingdom, such as beautiful flowers and leaves of various plants and creepers of the vegetable kingdom. So in another word, we can see, let us realize that the plant kingdom is the part of our family. We came from this world. End of the day, if we'll go deep in detail, the same roots we can find with the plant world and human species. That is the physical world. Both the kingdom, the plant kingdom and the human species, evolved from the physical world. And we can say the roots of human species and plant world is almost same. So we have to realize today, for our biological needs, the importance of this kingdom. It's not only for the biological level, but in cultural level also there is importance of the plant world. Because when we use the word breathe, every breath of air is not the breath of life. To breathe, to breathe air full of pure carbon dioxide is to invite death. What makes the breath of life or the life of our soul, which is the plant kingdom? So we can realize, we can understand the importance of this kingdom in our life. Another aspect is also there. We do not depend on the plant world for our biological level only, but for our cultural survival. Means, if we'll see from the hunting age or from the hunting age to the stage of civilization, if we'll see in detail, we can understand importance of the plant world. So today, let us realize the intoxicating beauty of the forest, the large family, from we can say the algae to the multicellular trees, like the big trees. This is a big family, and according to the latest report of the scientists, more than 320 thousands species is available in a different form of the plant world. Okay. Next point, according to the Devatma school of thought, is the consciousness of sweetness, juiciness, and fruitfulness. One should develop sweetness, tenderness, and fruitful life by reflecting over the sweet, juicy, and fruit-bearing character of trees. The main point, which I believe, is the acquisition of knowledge. According to Devatma, one must acquire adequate knowledge about the plant world. Knowledge in the sense, lot of experiment has happened, as we know about J.C. Bose, Indian scientist. He made experiment how plant world feel pain and pleasure in a different way. Even the Western scientist or the expert is also believe the modern, we can say in the modern science, the plant world also feel, the intense level of the pain and pleasure when they feel in a different way according to the circumstances in their surroundings. So we can say in a different way. So plant appreciate the waves of the human beings, or the we can say the negative and positive vibes also. It is found that plants grow faster under some or certain kinds of the music as well, and certain kind of the voice as well, and certain kind of the touch as well. So in a brief we can say the beauty, utility, innocence and creativity, the human future, I will say in a brief, is dependent on the plant world. So next point according to Devatma is the proper behavior. One should make proper use of the various products of the vegetable kingdom for his good, another human being or animal, and for removing some physical disease or deformity of his and others. One should make use with good feelings of some fragrant flowers and fragrance produced from the vegetable kingdom. Next point is the feeling of affection. One should show affection for the serviceable aspect and beautiful aspect. Next point also is very important, the feeling of gratitude. When we use the word gratitude, it means it's not because of the plant kingdom we are surviving. It's not only because of whatever we exist, it's because of this world, plant world. Of course, in this field also we must realize the gratefulness or the feeling of gratitude for this aspect, but in the meantime we must be grateful for those person or those community or those civilization or the society who are working to promote this kingdom. For example, there are some brotherly who from the beginning they are serving for this kingdom, and they are still promoting their religious ceremony. They are promoting this kingdom, and we have to be grateful for those community as well. Next point is protection and service. One must prove serviceable to plant under his charge by taking proper care of them in respect of manure, water, sunshine, and protect them from being diseased or mutilated. One should support the laws and acts in favor of the plant kingdom. Next point is the good wishes. One should offer good wishes for plant kingdom. It means Devatma strongly believe in this facts, this law, that this world, this kingdom, the plant kingdom, they feel the good and bad effects. It means they communicate with each other, they protect to each other. If we'll see that in a big forest, if someone or the part of one tree is suffering, so how other trees or mother trees supporting to other plants, this kind of things we can see nowadays in the modern science, how the science proved that plant also feel the positive and negative vibration. They help to each other, not as the animal and the human species, but in a different way. So it's our moral duty to be a person of the values, where we can help and where we can support to the plant world, and we must learn from them how plant world unconditionally helping to others without any expecting. So in the future I believe if someone will be enlightened, like as the Buddha, who is the first philosopher of change, and he is given the philosophy with the empirical level. So he got enlightenment with the Bodhi trees. And in the future, I also believe if someone will be enlightened, obviously he must be the lover of this plant world, where he can get the environment without any kind of the negativity, or the environment which is full of the positivity and full of the her values. So in the next video we'll see in detail the importance of this kingdom in our life on the basic level, day-to-day life. So for the next video, stay curious. Thank you guys, thank you very much.